Hey everyone, my name is Mohit and welcome to this video. So this video is a very brief introduction about VirtualBox and it is a part of series that I'm creating for end-to-end VirtualBox. Now why I'm creating this series, because I have students who start using VirtualBox but don't understand what VirtualBox is all about. So this video is to provide a complete context of VirtualBox, how it works, how you can use it for your testing purpose. This video series is targeted from basic to advanced and is available in Hindi as well as English. So in case if you want to watch the Hindi series, I have provided the link into the description box. You can go to my Hindi channel and subscribe it there as well. Now let's get started with the brief introduction of VirtualBox. So VirtualBox or VirtualBox Manager, as it is known as, it's a tool from Oracle. Historically, it was a product from Sun Microsystems. If you would remember, Sun was taken over by Oracle a few years back. It is a virtualization software which you can download and install, and basically it is used across the industry to test various virtual machines that were deployed. Before advent of Docker, most of the local testing and local development was done using VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is a type 2 hypervisor, and we are going to talk about what are the various type of hypervisor, what hypervisor actually is. But just to fit in your memory, keep it in your mind that VirtualBox is just a type 2 hypervisor, and it was created by a company called Innotech, which contributed a lot into the open source environment, and VirtualBox was also released as open source earlier with GNU GPL version 2, and now it's into GNU GPL version 3. You should be aware of all the type of licenses when you're working with software, because some of the software term themselves as free, but what are the restrictions with that freeness? So you should always consider reading the license before using it into a commercial project. Now Innotech was acquired by a company called Sun Microsystems, and Sun Microsystem was acquired by Oracle. So Innotech was acquired by Sun Microsystem in I think around 2008, and Oracle acquired Sun Microsystem in 2010. So now that's why it's called as Oracle VirtualBox or Oracle VM VirtualBox. That is Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox Manager. Alright. So initially VirtualBox was written basically in C and C++, and now some of the code is also added in Python, but initially most of the code was written in C and C++, as well as some of the code was also written in x86 assembly language. So this is the coding, or you can say the language that was used to develop. Now after release 6.0, it started to integrate OCI or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So this is a very brief overview of VirtualBox. Now what are the main competitors of VirtualBox? So if we talk about the competitors or any alternate softwares, so we have VMware, we call it VMware Workstation Player. Alright, so this is one of the software. We have Microsoft Hyper-V, and last we have Zen Project, we have QEMU. So there are certain more softwares which can be used to spin up virtual machines on your local development environment. So this is a very brief overview of what VirtualBox is, and in the next video I am going to talk about what virtualization is and how it helps us in the current computing environment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.